Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how you can automatically download videos only through Wi-Fi and not with your network connection. So if you have a very weak network connection but your Wi-Fi is the only fast route, so you can just go into settings, and here you can go down to storage and data, and once you're here you will see this media auto download options. So currently my photos is set to Wi-Fi and cellular, audio to Wi-Fi and cellular, and video only to Wi-Fi because it's a very big size, so I would prefer it to be downloaded only through Wi-Fi, and the documents also with Wi-Fi. Sometimes the document sizes also is pretty much big, so I have chosen Wi-Fi for now. So if you go into any settings, for example video, you have the option to choose whichever you want, for example never, or Wi-Fi and cellular. So if you have a very good connection you can go ahead and choose Wi-Fi and cellular. So that is one of the ways you can choose how you can download your videos or data. So this is how you can choose whether to download videos in WhatsApp through Wi-Fi only. If you found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech tutorials. Thank you and have a nice day.